Have you ever imagined a time when money did not exist? Let's take a step back in time. Yes, there was a time around 9000 BC to 600 BC where money did not exist as we know it. This was the era of barter trade, where people exchanged goods directly with one another. There was no middlemen, no exchange rates, just a simple, direct trade. In some regions, shells even served as a form of currency. This was the dawn of trade, but as civilizations grew, so did the complexity of trade. As trading evolved, the need for a standardized medium of exchange arose. Around the 6th century BC, precious metals like gold and silver started to gain popularity as a medium of exchange. Their rarity and durability made them ideal. To standardize the value of these metals and make trade easier, coins were minted. This was a significant step forward from bartering goods directly. It allowed for a more complex economy to develop. The age of precious metals revolutionized trade, but the world was yet to witness another significant evolution. From metal coins, the world transitioned to a lighter and more convenient form of currency. It was the 7th century AD in China when the first forms of paper money were introduced. These initial banknotes were a game changer, making trade easier and more efficient. They were issued by merchants and bankers, and they had something crucial backing their value: precious metals like gold and silver. Paper money marked a new era in the evolution of money, but this was just the beginning. With the advent of paper money, a new institution emerged to regulate and control its flow. From the 17th century, banks began to materialize, offering a secure place to store wealth. These banks eventually evolved into central banks, institutions that took on the pivotal role of issuing and regulating currency. They maintained economic stability, controlled inflation, and acted as a lender of last resort. The banking system brought structure to the financial world, paving the way for the modern monetary system. In the 20th century, a new form of money emerged, changing the landscape of global finance. This was the birth of fiat currencies. Unlike their predecessors, fiat currencies have no intrinsic value. They are not backed by any physical asset such as gold or silver. Instead, their value is derived from the trust and confidence of the people who use them. Their worth is, in essence, a social contract, upheld by the stability and credibility of the governing entity. Moving into the 21st century, the digital revolution ushered in another transformation in the world of finance: digital money and cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, operates independently of a central bank and offers a level of anonymity unprecedented in financial transactions. From barter trade to digital currencies, the evolution of money has been a fascinating journey, reflecting the ever-changing needs and complexities of our world.